Welcome to the PSLE Bootcamp Day number 3. And yes, math is the last topic for today. Woo! All right, but get ready for the next 2 hours, all right? Get ready, all right? Make sure you have your exercise book, your calculator, especially my favorite calculator, Sally, is beside me now. All right, make sure your calculator is with you. Okay, today we'll be doing the PSLE Mock 1 and 2, Paper 2, question 8 to 17. So it's about 10 questions from each paper. So total 20 word problems. All right, today will be quite heavy. All right, so get ready for it. So what is happening is, as I say, you need all these things now, huh? Okay, and yes, counting down. All right, 53 more days. Somebody sweating, you know, wiping off the sweat. 53 more days to your PSLE. So exciting. Yes. After the 55 or 56 days, you will be free. Seriously. All right. You can have a great holiday. October, November, December is basically 3 months of holiday. I'm so looking forward to that for you. All right, so look forward to that. And just to let you know, in order to celebrate the 3 months holiday, right, happily, you have to do well in your PSLE. And how do you know whether you do well? You can feel it, man, honestly. After the paper, you feel good, all right, or you feel very, lousy. All right, so in order to celebrate the 3 months of holiday, I want you to feel very good. All right, how do you feel very good? Make sure you do well. Make sure you do not have any careless mistake. Check your work. Make sure you go prepared for the paper. All right, you are prepared. You just got to be more motivated. You just got to be more prepared a bit. All right, set your mindset positive. You can do it. All right, 53 more days. Look forward to that. All right, and this is your paper 1, the scores and all this. I think you all should know this already. Paper 2, the scores. Before I go into the lesson proper, right? Some students keep asking me, where is the video? All right, this one is being recorded. Just to let you know. All right, the boot camp and the subjects English, Math, and Science, everything is being recorded. So if you happen to miss a little bit, right, like today, maybe some of you got an appointment at, let's say, 6:30, you don't want to listen to the entire class, all right, you can actually go to the portal, all right, your dashboard, and look for the lessons. Check this out, all right, just to tell you where to find it, because a lot of people keep asking me this. Okay, here. All right, I believe you know that this is our website, all right? You can log into your account, go to the dashboard. Okay, you can click on the revision pack, click on this revision pack. All right, then you can search for this one, PSLE revision pack, yeah? All right, which we're going to expire on the 15th of October after your PSLE, huh? Then after that, you click on the word lesson plan. Check this out. For math, right? Look. After lesson 12, there's this PSLE bootcamp. You see? Day 1 is already inside. You see, day 1. Yes, day 1, we had a 1 hour, 55 minutes lesson. All right. Those who stay on, good for you. Day 2, we had a 1 hour, 38 minutes lesson. So we are quite fast in terms of the uploading. This is for math. And the class notes is down there. Day 3 haven't lah, because I'm conducting it right now lah. All right. So you can search for science also. Science, the bootcamp is down here. All right, down here. Science bootcamp, yes. You see all the timing all loaded already. Very fast one. All right, so know where to find these recordings, right? You can actually go and look at it the second time. And English also. English here. Check this out. See? So day 1 and day 2, the timing all uploaded already. Can? Okay. Then another thing I want to show you is, right, I talk about something called the cheat sheet. All right, the cheat sheet. What cheat sheet? There. Here, check this out. All right, PSLE cheat sheet. All right, this is for math. All right, what consists of the cheat sheet? You click lah. You don't know, you click. Oh, such a cute picture. Yeah, done by who? Done by me lah, obviously. There. All right, so this one will give you a summary of the important things you need to know. Things like conversion, things like what is the isosceles triangle, things like what is the, from Tuas to Changi, what is the distance. Sometimes, PSLE, they ask such question, like a piece of paper, how heavy is it? Something like that, right? The formulas are inside here. All right, the conversion. You see, all done up very nicely. So yesterday, I also talked about something called the twins number, the triplet number. Remember all this? Yeah, do you remember the number like 512? Yes. So 512 is actually made out of 8 times 8 times 8. Cool. So you can actually download this cheat sheet. It's all available for you. So please do something lah, Print out this in color if you want to. All right. Then there's something to do with fraction, percentage. You see, all done up very beautifully. All right. This is the big 4. Fraction, percentage, ratio, and decimal. They are all related. So you must know the conversion within them and how to do the long division. All right. For decimals. Some people don't know how to divide. So please, there's an example down there. All right. So please go and download this. For the last page, actually, this one, the pie chart is not tested. The net of a cube is not tested. So this one you can don't study lah, huh? But just know that it's there. Is it okay? So learn to download things that is useful to you, please. You can find it down here under recent updates, PSLE cheat sheet. Is that okay? All right, go to your PSLE revision pack. So at least you know where to find all this. Can? Okay. So now let's go back to the lesson. All right, so please don't ask me where to find all this already. Now you know, can? Okay, can. Okay, so moving on. Some of you asking me, is there the monthly, right? Monthly, we also have the P5, P6 class. All right, some we call it master class and all this. Yes, next week. No. Is it next week? I think it's the next week still have. All right, math will be on the next Saturday. So there will still be online live classes every month. Don't worry. Can? All right, so let's move on. Hey, 1 minute. Yeah, somebody of you say 1 mark, correct? So that's the timing that you have to give yourself. For example, the question is about 3 marks. You give yourself about 3 minutes to do. Can? 1 minute, 1 mark. Very good. Some of you know what is happening for this already. Okay, let's look at question 8. This is from Mock 1 Paper 2. Mock 1 Paper 2. Check this out. Let's go. In January, 60% of a reading club of 125 members. Oh, the reading club inside, got a total of 125 members, and they were girls. So you know me, I like to do something called English to math. You exchange the English to math. So 60% means what? 60%. Off means what? Means times. The total member, which is 125 members, they were girls. Were is the past tense of are. Are is the plural of is. Is represent equal, girls. So simple as that. All right. And you know that this 60% can be written as what? 60 over 100, right? Times 125. And you will get girls. Press your calculator. All right. You can press your calculator. So 60 over 100 times 125, they should give you a 75 girls. All right. Sally, give me 75. In Jan, how many of the members were girls? 75. Woo! 1 mark. Thank you, teacher, for this easy score. Easy mark. All right. Oh, just to let you know, the next live class, right, for P5, P6 math will be on the 20th of August. All right, for math. It will be on a Saturday. I think it's 1 to 2:30. Can? So you just check out on the dashboard. All right. You can click on the live lessons. All right. You can check the timing down there. There will be. Can? All right. So 75 girls for part A. Easy. Next one. What percentage of the members? What percentage of the members in May? What happened in May? Oh, in May, 20 more girls joined the club. So in Jan, there's 75 girls. I found it here. All right. So in May, there is an additional 20 girls. That will be 95 girls in total. All right. 95 girls in total. And this is happening in May. They are looking for the percentage of the members in May who were girls. So this question always have a percentage first. Something over something times 100%, right? All right. And they are looking for what? They are looking for the May, the girls in May. All right. The girls in May is 95. Correct? Yes. And what is the total here? Be careful. Right? What's the total member? Be careful. Is the total member still 125? No. 125 is the total in Jan. What must you do? You must add another 20 because these 20 girls joined the club, right? So the new total, this is called a new total. All right. So you will have 95 over 145 times 100. And press your calculator. All right, answer will give you a 65 point something, right? Oh, yo. Sally, come on, let's go. 95 over 145 times 100. You'll get a 65.51724138%. Just so long. I know, right? So how? Read the question, children. Read the question. They want the answers to the nearest percentage. Nearest percentage means the nearest whole number. To determine whether to round up or to maintain, yes, you have to look at this next number down here. All right, it's a 5 or above, you have to round up. So 65 becomes 66%. Yes, I'm so clever. I'm so clever. All right, keep motivating yourself. You can do it. All right, you have to keep your mind positive because the paper is going to be long. Cool? Sure, when you are typing Sally, you're punching her. No, I'm just pressing her lightly. Chill, man, Sharon. Why are you so agitated over how I treat Sally? All right, Sally is my calculator, just so that you know, right? It's not anybody else. All right, a tank measuring 45 by 20 by 60 is 1/4 filled with water. I read that right. I'm very happy. So I can just simply find the 1/4 filled with water first. So 1/4 times length times breadth times height. Hey, volume not tested. Are you sure? You better go and check. They say volume for P6 not tested. P5 leh? P5 volume tested. So what is P5 and P6 volume? Don't know, right? Just know volume can already, right? It's not a very big topic, all right? So 1/4 times 45 times 20 times 60 will give you a 13500 cm cube. All right, but everything is in liters, right? Can you see like liters and all this? All right, let me change it to liters. All right, the conversion is 1 cm cube is equal to 1 milliliter. All right, and 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So this is your conversion. It's inside the cheat sheet. All right, so 13,500 cm cube is equal to 13,500 milliliters. Milliliters to liters is divide by 1000. Movement of 3 0. 1, 2, 3. So it's a 13.5 liters. All right, so inside here got 13.5 liters. Can? And you read on a little bit. Water is flowing from A into the tank at 9 liters per minute. All right, so it means what? It means that water is flowing in, water going in, water in at what? 9 liters per minute. 9 liters per minute means in 1 minute. All right, so 1 minute got 9 liters of water flowing in. Water is draining from tap B. Tap B is below, then is tap B. All right, draining means what? Leaking out. So water out. All right, water out is how much? 6 liters per minute. 6 liters per minute means what? 6 liters in 1 minute. Both taps were turned on at the same time. On at the same time. All right, you got 2 hands, you on it at the same time. And what happened? Eventually, right, in the same 1 minute, is it a gain or a loss? Just imagine 9 liters go in, 6 liters comes out in the same 1 minute. So you can say that in the same 1 minute, what happened? All right, it will be a gain of 3 liters. How come? 9 liters goes in, 6 liters comes out. So there is a 3 liter gain every 1 minute. Is that understood? Can, right? So you read a little bit more. How long will it take to fill the tank completely? All right, just now 13.5 liters is what is 1/4 full, right? So can I go and find out what is 3/4 full? All right, so you can actually say that 1 unit, right, is actually 13.5 liters. This is 1/4 full. All right, so what is the entire container? It is 4 units, right? But I need another 3 more units to make it full. That's it. All right. Okay, because of this 1/4. 1/4 means down here is like 1. All right, there's 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, can you see my interval? It's like so accurate. All right, so you need 3 more units down here in order to fill it up. All right, so 3 units will be 13.5 times 3. That will give you a, Sally, let's go, 14.5 liters. Can you see? So you need 40.5 liters to fill up the tank. But every 1 minute, right, 3 liters is going in. All right, so how? How much time do you need? Simply just take your last step. All right, 40.5. You need 40.5 liters. Every 1 minute, 3 liters is flowing in. So 40.5 divided by 3. Yes, some of you already got the answer. 13.5 minutes is the answer. Smarty got the answer. All right, so keep motivating yourself. You can do it. Can? All right. Some of you got calculated. Your name got what? Your calculator's name is what? Jonas. Oh my goodness. Can. No problem. All right. Maybe Jonas and Sally can go dating one day. All right. Oops. Okay, come question 10. The total mass of 4 cans of Coke, 4 cartons of Coke, and 2 cartons of Milo was 52.9. This type of question, I know. It's called gap and difference. So I like to summarize a little bit. 4 cartons of Coke, I call it 4C. And 2 cartons of Milo, I call it 2M. The weight is how much? 52.9 kg. This is the first information that I have. The second information I have is what? 8 cartons of Coke, 8C, plus 5 cartons of Milo, 5M, is equal to, it must be